Welcome to our guide on e-commerce marketing automation. If you're looking to enhance your online store's efficiency and boost your sales, this video is for you. We'll break down what e-commerce marketing automation is, its benefits, and how to implement it effectively. What is e-commerce marketing automation? E-commerce marketing automation refers to the use of software and technology to automate repetitive marketing tasks. This includes sending emails, managing social media posts, segmenting customers, and even personalizing marketing messages. The goal is to create a more efficient workflow, allowing you to focus on strategic activities while the automation handles the routine tasks. Benefits of e-commerce marketing automation. First, let's talk about the benefits. Automation saves time by handling repetitive tasks such as email marketing, social media updates, and ad campaigns. This efficiency not only reduces workload but also ensures consistency in your marketing efforts. Second, it enhances customer experience. Automated systems can provide personalized recommendations and timely follow-ups, creating a more engaging shopping experience. For instance, you can set up email sequences that welcome new subscribers, recommend products based on browsing history, and send abandoned cart reminders. Third, automation helps in better data analysis. By tracking customer behavior and campaign performance automatically, you gain valuable insights into what works and what doesn't. This data can inform your marketing strategies and improve your ROI. Key components of e-commerce marketing automation. Now, let's look at the key components of e-commerce marketing automation. Email marketing automation. This involves setting up automated email campaigns such as welcome emails, product recommendations, and re-engagement campaigns. Tools like MailChimp or Klaviyo can help you create and manage these workflows. Customer segmentation. Segmenting your customers based on their behavior, purchase history, and preferences allows for more targeted marketing. Automation tools can dynamically adjust these segments to keep your marketing relevant. Personalization. Personalized marketing can significantly boost conversion rates. Automation tools use data to personalize emails, website content, and product recommendations, making customers feel valued. Social media automation. Tools like Hootsuite or Buffer allow you to schedule posts, monitor engagement, and analyze performance across various social media platforms. Cart abandonment campaigns. Setting up automated reminders for customers who leave items in their cart can recover lost sales. These reminders can be sent via email, SMS, or even push notifications. Implementing e-commerce marketing automation. To implement e-commerce marketing automation, start by choosing the right tools. Look for platforms that integrate well with your e-commerce site and offer the features you need. Then, map out your customer journey and identify key touchpoints where automation can enhance the experience. Next, create automated workflows for these touchpoints. Test and refine your workflows regularly to ensure they are effective and adjust based on customer feedback and data insights. In conclusion, e-commerce marketing automation is a powerful way to streamline your operations, enhance customer experience, and boost sales. By implementing automation, you can focus more on strategy and creativity, leaving the repetitive tasks to technology.